Mame Mao akwaba efa umbra Ghana Sem TV GH mesre like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notification so that anytime you post a video bit say we are usambekebi. Ebushon for eba journalism o Ghana ha. Ngo bi wo wa ya me pese mi ti omuka. Because anytime me ti omuka no, it just gives this red light. It just sets me off. And I don't think I'm the only person. Yeah, because I mean, Obiti say Papa Epeno na Jantuah. No one should FM. They say oh ahimfie. Sa Papa no. I mean, I don't know why, but anytime he's speaking, no, me share no. I see hypocrisy all over him. Hypocrisy. Now, the reason I'm talking about Nana Jantuah is because my name nearby and I make me across the video be. And the video name no. Who say and one a Black Stars a bobola ya drawer obiani ajino. And I say oka Black Stars nsensem na. And now they cover politics mu say. And can't this country for once be united and I say ebe jai eye MPP NDC nsensem. And that was a questioner obisa. Now maybe some who say Nana Jantuah, did you start getting a sense of patriotism after NDC winning 2024 election? And I say it has always been there. Because if it has always been there, then we have a problem. Because as a Nana Jantuah, you were one of the people as who sworn enemy of MPP. Money now media space no. I watch all of you. I studied my movement. Nyama na mu no. Decisions are mu making no. Statements are mu making. Mu commentaries. And I've just been waiting say one day mo amu de mu beba. Nu na panso mo amu started di mu ba. Look, yenye na united behind Black Stars. But beyond everything, Ghana hano. Mu journalists for, including who are we Nana Jantuah no. Mu na mama ye who say, there is nothing mu fanya politics for my way mu. That is why and even though Akufo-Addo nipa bayebi ambaye ni nyina etimya ye nia what nia odi esi ni so say obaye. In fact, some of the things that Akufo-Addo ye no, he did not promise in poor manifesto mu. Be say free analysis say it was never in the promise of Akufo-Addo. But beyond all that, no, Akufo-Addo making sure say these things that he promised and those he did not promise exigencies of the time ni nyina no. Why ye? And so anye ni nyina mpo why ye bi. Mu Nana Jantuah mu never found a place to praise Akufo-Addo. Never. Mu hate on Akufo-Addo to the extent say then now mu just Simonu say mu pese mu say MPP we opposition no. You succeeded. And now nkrofo etien mu say nyama nko ye die mo ye din afere we catch say we should forget about MPP and NDC. Nobody forget about MPP and NDC or Nana Jantuah. After na grow no eba be started. She see you. When you know a warm up. She see. We there blow. Let's finish by September, October, November honum. Na ye elections ni na police, police station, constituency, the regional, national. Oh, on ambe say agroni fem. Yeah.
Oh, Ghana flag. Ghana flag. Da ben na ibi auto Ghana nyoma. Apart from Black Stars nyoma yi, da ben na auto so ye Ghana ni. Kwame Nkrumah ka bibi. I say it is time for Africa to identify herself, having an identity and personality. Ghana ya sense di any dear way. Ghana ya sense di any dear way. Obetimi akoba bi na flags e bo ho ni nyina manonefo bi flags na ye de no ate afaso. The way I see UK nyoma ye ni je, where they free UK, where they free USA. E mo me fe de. But atade no, se wo she Ghana atade e me fe chen se wo be she UK any US atade. Atade e she mi Ghana ni ne pamye, material no je a Ghana ni ne pamye. Ye won nyoma bebre wo ho a me to se Ghana ni ne pamye a me pese me to. Me cotton material no na Ghana ni apama mame na mashe. I prefer that. Let me be blunt. Enye ni bio. Say we say US atade ni UK atade now you proud to say mashe say. Now would the ben na be ko US or no be proud so be say Ghana atade. USA. And also benya Ghana sense de. They do that intentionally. Omushedo opa hwe USA for movies and Britain for movies. Eye dan na or the bekwa kwakoto omu flag so. Opa check you almost all movies, Hollywood movies ni Britain oye dan obe make sure say flag no, US flag no e wo baabi obetwa abem. Why? Eye intentional omasheda. And then Ghana for ye bibia, there's no identity. There's nothing. Bibia no chere. Enti na ba himfie na wutia himfie a himfie oba ye symbols no chere say ye Ghana for. Ye symbols no e chere say ye Ghana for. Can we come together for once? Yentimi nja NDC ni MPP ni nto kakra ni enjene Ghana ho enye bibia na MPP ni NDC omumwaye ya NDC MPP since 1992 ya bepem ne ede muapa apart from a car apart from a candidate ede be pa na NDC ni MPP aboaye mo de mon kan kire me ya NDC ni MPP pa wabra bom pa se pa no dia apart from a car ene ya tum ene wo betua ene aban say ene mombo masum masimu belt ene montom bo ase ene me de enioma pa egu akwan mu me kai me papa kofo ode enioma pa foundation ni ayi na free so na ye papa atamil saba o say me de enioma pa egu akwan mu ni ayi na free so na President John Mahama ba o say me de enioma pa egu foundation I have laid a good foundation ni ayi na free so na Akufo Addo me de enioma pa Ghana for munum so ntwen ope ni ya num so ni sa na ate afa so John Mahama so ba yi ono so the same thing me de enioma pa me mahyehyɛ enioma montom bo ase enche sa no no so ayi na free so na se ba omia nso no beba me de nhyehyɛ ba me to me bo ase montom bo ase kakran sa na ekosa ka na wunyini na wuwu ni ekọ ni eyare ni enya hospital nkọ ni enya nsuo ye nsuo asai na obi na no ye ma miss Addo Asafo mate se ye umu ya arrange se nkobekọ abirichiri enzo confanoti tisi no hospital ene wo hoi na afitire ne sia wo mu ye adwuma kra ye tia wo mu hospital no kra anye. Can we be Ghanaians for once?
For one, if you engineering so we are trying to set a precedence via that chimbino se yen twan twene se si ate se na se Marcus kan no se ekuro tu na se one pe anu like one pe draw and preventing from spreading a ebedani kusikuro se one pe draw and so no a ebedani kusikuro inti right now no ayen se ekuro we se nu etu ye no entempa ya di shikuro ebeguso. If he want to end his political career, some of us we will help him end it. Because we, the upcoming youth, we will show him that we are more energetic than him. We have the power, we have the vim, we have the voice. Yeah, kasama no. Nyankopon kra o masa de no crazy. Nti se ne media meka no. If anybody, regardless of who you are, whether you are an ex-president, whether you are a chairman, whether you are a general secretary, you want to ruin the job that we've done for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia for us. We are waking up at night facing these NDC people. Now the NPP is fighting over 6 people in Ghana. We have the NDC to face, we have the UP to face, we have the base to face, and then we have individual people in our party to also face.
The media also to face.
Exactly. Yes, see. Ododo enichi de osun takrache. The man Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sa edini no mo mpese mo beti o Ghana politics mu. But the man will come, serve his term, give the goodwill, the good people of Ghana what they deserve. Then he will shame his enemies. The voice. We will meet again.
All right, for now I'm going to be doing PZ, and then we are starting a new this thing. But you can still comment on the Honorable Ken issue. But I want you to add to it the fact say yeah, mommy, you see a friend of mine, Odende, Grandma Jane, or no Chief Justice, or more Canada. I'm also supporting Black Stars. Now maybe so. You have not paid nurses, you have not paid teachers, and all those things. And the Grandma Jane, one delegation in free Ghana, Ediko Canada, Black Stars no born no more so born. That is also something that we are going to. As na Chief Justice, they say for the first time we see a Chief Justice political NDC political funeral or Kobe, NDC political event or Kobe. And vice president, any Chief Justice, boom, what at all is happening? Romance being crying between the judiciary and the executive under this new government. Let me start with Edum PZ because I don't know they can buy Edum 5 minutes. Anyway.
Hey, boys, watch me. Now me wait more months no round him. Jama afa me so won.
Yo, Debbie. I mean, Edum was the one supposed to start this session, but Kasa, every 4 minutes. 5 minutes.
Oh, me to kasa.
Yeah, Kasa.
Yo, me that say, boys, where the mebo abaso na mada wase. Any yenuanmu kitwa nyina. The youth of NPP. Me say me wo hon mo me wadwuma mu kura no a. Yeah, na makuma Tommy Yemse, say the call of duty, the youth, you are doing it. Yamishra mu pa, Yamishra mu be voice. Meaning say my mission in action. One will be mine so any age me. Sometimes to me say that me also so no. Me also so yana mean to be kasa. Na the Kenya mintia ma bahasisi a efa Canada Japan asemo abe. Boys, ukaya. Tamwana odi ni nsem hununu. Me be ka kire mo wa ha se. Ye se aboa ne nkawa onyi ni sin kire wo. Aboa no onkawa onyi ni sin kire wo. Ye hu this from 2020. Ye se hu this 2024. Enu akire no ensem fata kan Japan e kafa NPP hu. Na chese yan kasa yan constitution na Oma mold that one nature say NPP constitution no invaluable and I say it doesn't work. Say juma dia me asamba komeka kire NPP the youth, particularly the delegate amukako tuaba. This is the reason why I miss a question. Me say a clean slate leadership omunyina A to Z say no because of their Japan because one they could not gather their balls. Woman to me yi papa ya NPP mu because your constitution here clear. Constitution here clear say party niba wobeti no and that's what can someone say or you against the party no is automatically why then for 50 party no way. So aden tina betuma tra homa akwa we yenua baako kasa me ba so fufuro yenua baako ebisa say enu ntimu pese empanyimfo na omo NPP mu se omo ye empanyimfo na omo leading yese no omo pese omo kire yen say Canada Japan enkwa efi NPP mu a the whole political party, this vibrant political party, this envious political party Canada Japan fi mu a yen tumi njira ho brane ye betuma njira ho me se betuma njira ho mo because enkola ene ye memunu youth both men and women are almost so they are our future. You guys are our futures. So I didn't know yenka obi a osiso so wedi na na yenu abaku kan obi a oso wedi 66 years me amika say say me din panyini ananya me nko na onim wahu na hwani obia ni de okire enu ntino esa ni say delegate muntie mi esa ni say empanyifo no mo say no woman ni na to nsa didi into one person be no you have to vote all these people completely out. We need new faces, complete new faces. Send a beya you better move party forward. The voice I say one kasa na okasa as one as ye nua ba ko kan say nanadu nya kukudro nanadu otuminya kukudro epamo what general secretary epamo the chairman. What happened 2016?
We won.
Manuel Simi Wejuma Muntini Yamisha Momo Koso Wejuma. Why?
Thank you for coming through. Uncle J Prince, 5 minutes. You're welcome. Let's go. This is your first time here. I hope so.
Voice, no, Miss One.
Good evening.
Okay.
Evening, Uncle J. Mama Day,
Good evening.
Not Selena. Aunt Selena, Uncle. I say, yeah, evening. It's you.
If I should come, I can say, the day I mean, say, you're not working in Japan, Casabia, or say Ghana Fest, you'll be on Canocre. To the Casabia, and as you'll be a Casa for MPP, won't be say Ghana Fest. And this is for between my cassette here, say, Bia, on the party power with my cassette on the party. As some young crocodile and NDC defended. Now they didn't know penny. What because I won't defend the party. Let it be a Ghana Fest. Huh? Who contacted the dear more power with the billionaire? Hey, if you are small, and can still be on Okuni Yesica new one people more. Or be a fine chance in my fee. What I say? Yea, you so yes, ye be a man can get a so far work as you. Sana a doctor could team one despite one. FM stage ben or do send Umo Crumia. O FM stage bear me as a miasa. Or Casado those soon Casa. Na yon kwa whisker Crumia. Boss, yon kwa whisker Crumia. Nabi before Nankas and do more. What's a credible because I will come up under that the party. Or Casado do. And to one FM stage be said a doctor go put him FM station will be there. Second, a garipa crank Casao. Boss, Kadipa Crank so.
Yes,
They be a Ghana Fest. They be a Ghana Fest. They be a Ghana Fest. Don't so party. They be a Ghana Fest.
Who say? I did have my ceremony. Say when you say Ghana Fest, what it tries to mean? And say it means NPPA anti-Ghana development and access thing. Because that's what it means. If you're telling me, say, we live at Ghana first, it tells me, say, MPP, you know, we do everything against Ghana's interests. That's what you try to trying to say.
But when I so budget MPP party now, I can say, yes, you better 10 fucking.
Oh,
What I say?